Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing what matters. Link your game to Google Play, Apple ID, or EA account so you can restore anything salvageable. Once done, note your city name, friend codes, and active offers. This saves time if you want assets later. Next, confirm you are on the exact account you want to reset. Switching accounts mid-process causes data loss. Make sure your device has stable internet, because the reset communicates with servers and must complete without interruption. You now perform the reset. Inside SimCity BuildIt, go to Settings, then Account, and select Delete City or Reset. Read each prompt. The system explains what will be removed so you understand the consequences. When prompted, re-enter your password or follow the security verification. This prevents accidental wipes. Once you confirm, the game will communicate with EA servers to delete local and linked city data. Wait for the confirmation screen before closing the app to ensure completion. After the reset completes, restart the app and choose Create New City to begin fresh. If you backed up via EA or platform account and want old data back, sign into that account and use the Restore option. Otherwise, proceed to rebuild with your saved notes. If something goes wrong, no confirmation, missing backup, or errors, clear the app cache, reinstall the game, and try again. If it still fails, contact EA support with account details and the error message to resolve server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.